I welcome you all to my channel. In today's episode I am going to show you my new toy, the Italian beast, Fantic 250 e Casa. The new 250 is available in two versions, Enduro and Motard, and in two colors. These two versions essentially differ in the handlebars and spring elements. The homologated power is 11 kilowatts at 7,250 rpm, while the open power is 20.6 kilowatts at 9,000 rpm. The Fantic XEF 250 with its 4-stroke 1-cylinder engine and a capacity of 249 cubic centimeters faces the Fantic 250 e Casa with its 4-stroke 1-cylinder engine with 250 cubic centimeters. On the XEF 250, a Kayaba upside-down telescopic fork with 48mm standpipe diameter, which is adjustable in compression, spring preload and rebound. Springs at the front and a monoshock absorber from Kayaba at the rear, which is adjustable in compression, spring preload and rebound. The 250 e Casa uses an upside-down telescopic fork with a 43mm standpipe at the front and a monoshock absorber at the rear. When it comes to tires, XEF 250 relies on slippers measuring 90/90/21 at the front and 130/90/18 at the rear. Tires in sizes 90/90/21 at the front and 120/80/18 at the rear ensure ground contact on the 250 e Casa. The wheelbase of the Fantic XEF 250 measures 1,480 mm and the seat height is 955 mm. The Fantic 250 e Casa is 420 mm long from wheel axle to wheel axle and its seat height is 915 mm. 7.9 liters of fuel fit in the tank of the XEF 250. The 250 e Casa has a tank volume of 7.5 liters. As always, thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and share. Make sure you check out my playlists, I'm sure you will find them interesting.